Hi friends, welcome back to the MX Business Flip channel. In this video, we will discuss part 6 of the top 5 business machines you can buy from China and start generating income. Whether you are a business beginner, entrepreneur, or business owner looking to venture into other businesses, then this is a video for you. 1. Macaroni/spaghetti making machine. These machines are used to produce pasta efficiently and consistently. Starting a macaroni making business can be a rewarding venture, given the popularity of pasta products worldwide. These machines can produce different shapes and types of pasta, including macaroni, spaghetti, fusilli, penne, and more. Can be used in factories and large-scale production facilities to produce pasta in bulk and in kitchens to produce fresh pasta dishes on demand. Machine ensures uniformity in pasta shape, size, and texture. Speeds up the production process, allowing for large quantities to be made quickly. These machines enables customization of pasta recipes, including gluten-free or other dietary-specific option catering to a large customer base. Reduces the cost of buying pre-made pasta, especially for businesses that require large quantities like busy restaurants. Machine minimizes the manual effort required to make pasta, making it easier for both commercial and home cooks. Investing in a macaroni making machine can streamline production, ensuring consistent quality and high efficiency. These machines offer a practical solution for producing high-quality pasta efficiently. 2. Key making machine business. Key making machines, also known as key-cutting machines, are machines used to create duplicate keys. Every now and then people lose their office keys, car keys, and home keys. Investing in a key-making machine business can be a highly profitable venture given the constant demand for key duplication services in residential, commercial, and automotive sectors. This ensures steady market demand. Machine provides quick and efficient key duplication, which is convenient for customers needing spare keys and can duplicate a variety of key types, including house keys, car keys, and specialized keys. Key blanks are relatively cheap compared to the price charged for the keys. Choosing a strategic location with high foot traffic such as malls and busy streets boosts this business. Following right business steps, you can successfully start and grow your key-making machine business while providing high-quality key duplication services to a wide range of customers. Overall, key-making machines are crucial for efficient and accurate key duplication and creation, serving both individuals and businesses in maintaining security and access control. 3. Edible cups making machine business. Edible cups making machine is used to produce cups made from edible materials, such as wafers, chocolate, or other food substances. Edible cups can be used for a variety of beverages and desserts, including coffee, ice cream, yogurt, and cocktails. The machine aims at producing and selling edible cups that are environmentally friendly, which offers a sustainable alternative to traditional disposable cups, attracting environmentally conscious consumers. Allows for customization in terms of flavors, colors, and designs, catering to different customer preferences and dietary requirements. Edible cups can offer healthier alternatives to traditional disposable cups depending on the ingredients. They provide an eco-friendly and novel way to serve beverages and desserts, enhancing customer experience and enhances a business's reputation for sustainability and corporate social responsibility, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Offers unique, edible containers for drinks and desserts at events, parties, and functions, can be marketed as a fun and innovative dining experience. Machine price start from $1,000. This is a lucrative fun business venture that no customer can resist. You can successfully start and grow your edible cups business, providing a unique and sustainable product to a wide range of customers. 4. Waffle making machine. A waffle making machine is a versatile appliance used in both commercial and home kitchens to produce waffles. Waffles are a great dessert and popular around the world. Starting this business can be a lucrative and enjoyable venture given the popularity of waffles as a versatile and delicious food item around the world. Whether for breakfast, a dessert, or as a snack, waffles are loved by many and can be served in various styles. Restaurants, cafes, and hotels use waffle makers to serve breakfast and crunch items to customers. With these waffle making machines, you can easily make unique shaped treats and decorate them with fruits and chocolate flavors. Such waffles will be highly demanded, especially popular in food trucks and stalls for making quick, delicious snacks. Used in catering for events, parties, and special occasions to offer a variety of waffle-based dishes. Machine cooks waffles quickly, making it ideal for busy kitchens and food services, and can make various types of waffles, including classic, Belgian, and specialty waffles. Some machines can even be used for grilling sandwiches or making paninis. That facilitates the creation of innovative dishes such as waffle cones, waffle sandwiches, and savory waffles, expanding menu offerings to customers. Waffle makers are compact and portable, making them suitable for mobile food businesses. Price for these machines start from $100. 5. Manual die-cutting machine business. The manual die-cutting machine is a versatile tool used to cut shapes, letters, and designs from various materials such as paper, fabric, leather, and thin metal sheets. Starting a business with a manual die-cutting machine can be lucrative and offers several benefits. If your niche market lies in printing, crafting, packaging, and custom stationery, then having manual die-cutting machine should be a priority to boost your business easily. The manual die cuts shapes, designs, and patterns from various materials like paper and plastic, and can easily form sticker labels, paper accents, and cards of all types. The machine allows creation of unique and custom designs which are ideal for crafting, scrapbooking, packaging, and more to produce items like packaging, labels, and tags. Used in schools and educational programs for art and design projects. Creates decorations, invitations, and party favors for weddings, birthdays, and other events. Manual die-cutting machines are generally affordable with price starting at $50. The machine's versatility, affordability, and ease of use make it a valuable asset for producing a wide range of products. You can easily target specific markets such as DIY crafters, event planners, and small businesses. So there you have it, the 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or garage. Tell us which machine you liked most. Share with us in the comment section which type of machine you want us to talk about and which one do you wish to buy if you were to start your business. See you in the next video. Adios.